A few months ago, something crazy happened. Out of insecurity, I emailed OpenSauce figuring my rejection got sent to spam, and it turns out I actually got accepted. Now, this was a dream of mine, but there was a problem. The Wiiumba was broken, and it was kind of a fire hazard. So that left me with just a few weeks to fix the Wiiumba, get a team together, head to San Francisco, and make this happen. I've been grinding, and the Wiiumba is ready for OpenSauce. Let's see the improvements I made on this episode of Pimp My Wiiumba. Let's call them forward. Wiiumba, you brought me a piece of flan that is so nice. It's also partially eaten. So, there were a few problems with the first Wiiumba. Problem one, somebody drove him down the stairs. This unfortunately caused one of his wheels to break off, and in a genius maneuver by yours truly, I realized instead of removing this whole motor and putting a new one on, I can just take apart the motor while it's actually attached. There was a battery to power the motors, which were two different sizes. Two exact same size batteries, which you're not supposed to do. It's a fire hazard. And you're not supposed to combine batteries without a battery management system between them. It's also a fire hazard. But now we just have this battery. And this battery is the bomb. They look like the B word. They're not the B word. Well, they are the B word if that means battery. Learned a lot doing this project. First time doing like proper battery management and stuff. Yeah, there's a BMS now, so no fire hazards, man. The only remaining challenge is getting there. I'm slightly afraid of planes. And then getting this Wii Fit into my suitcase. They called him the Wii Fit, but if it were me, I would have named him Wii Tight Squeeze. See you at OpenSauce. That's crazy. We're waiting on the air train to take us to the rental car. What's your review of California so far?
It's cold. Notoriously very cold and snowy.
We found the cheapest hotel there was, figuring we'd probably just get robbed, but we're not worth much anyway. Turns out though, the front desk guy had a can of Galaxy gas, and there was a slew of other issues with the hotel. We are in B, right? After a few minutes, the housekeeper was in the hall, so I confirmed with her if this was building B, and she said C, and I said, wait, this is C, and she said, no, B, and it didn't hit until after the conversation that she was actually speaking Spanish and agreeing with me. It smells very bad in here. There's stains on this, but it's $450 for 4 nights, so I'll take it. Shatter. This place is not real. Don't open it. The window is gonna fall out. There were also people swimming in the pool, which is a little bit worrying. Do not go in this pool. Do these people have no self-preservation instincts? Oh, I should not have the flash on. You know how like United Airlines, they come around, they give you your Stroop, and they give you your soda, right?
Of course.
So, I asked for it with no cup and no ice, so they gave it to me unopened. So I brought it off the plane, and now I get to enjoy it tomorrow.
No way.
Isn't that amazing?
That's incredible.
It's a free Coke Zero that I paid for on my plane ticket. There's literal like algae at the bottom of that swimming pool. That is very gross. So me and the cracked window were thinking, and we don't think the laptop screen is gonna be big enough for the exhibit. So day one was setup and the Friday night preview party with the creators, and I was honestly horrified. William Osmond is a huge inspiration for me, and I really wanted him to sign the Wiiumba.
Was it set up?
All right, we're locked in. We got an obstacle course, and now I think this is connected. One will be mouse. Okay, that one does nothing. Perfect. What does this one do? Oh, okay, we're halfway there. We're halfway there. I think I know the problem. I think Minecraft, you have to set like raw input. So this was the reason that it doesn't work on my Mac. Let's go. All right, let's change the sensitivity and then we're good. Should I get in? If y'all want to try, you can. We also have a Wii Fit controlled Roomba.
Yes.
Oh my gosh!
I'm not having it.
All right, so we're at the OpenSauce after party. We're gonna review some vegetable. Let's do the. What do you think this is? It's yellow squash. Do you think it's cooked or it's raw? It's raw. I didn't know you could eat these raw.
You're gonna have food poisoning tonight.
Come to the OpenSauce after party. There are free vegetables. Nice. This is like the back rooms if they were like disgusting. Let's see how many tries it takes. What the fuck? How we feeling, Dash?
I was yawning when you started recording.
We're about to hit something. Ah! I'll let it crash. And then I'm gonna send it to your insurance company. I would love to say that day 2 went as well as day 1, but it did not. I'm really dizzy right now. I feel like a lipo-5. Still nothing?
Well, I called one place, but...
So some genius fell and broke one of the pads. So we're currently working out how to just use one pad instead, but I'll try and take it apart and fix it. Hopefully we can either find a new pad or I can fix it. Is it? Yeah, it's definitely loose under there. Should we look to see if we had the hot glue or super glue something?
Let's pull it out.
I think it's probably spinning. No, that's so this you have to put like a ridiculous amount of pressure on it, I guess. So fortunately, to figure all that out, yeah, go ahead. We cut the front of the board and the back of the board. Maybe it was misaligned.
Yeah.
So fortunately, in order to get there, we destroyed the board again in a different way. It was very stressful. They weren't going to trust me to use a soldering iron either. Probably a good choice. Yeah. When I was in college, we had this big maker space, and I was there like constantly. And it was brand new. And then I was there 1 week, and then like maybe 3 days later, I went in and they rejected me because I wasn't trained. And I had known nothing the whole time I was there. They never told me you needed training.
That's cool.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
And then, were you there for that?
Yes,
Oh
yes.
My God, dude. All right, let's see. Give the big reveal. Ready? Here comes forwards.
Yes.
Back.
Okay. Check.
Right.
Left.
Thank you.
Yes.
Why do you say it like
Well,
that?
it's. I think it's on delay.
Oh.
Hold on.
Buddy.
Awesome. Do
Let
we
me-
need to tape any of this together?
Yes, we have to tape all of it together. Thank you. I would have walked away.
Give it a quick thumbs up.
All fixed, maybe. If anybody steps on this again, I'm gonna cry. Shout out to the repair zone for real. Andy helped me out a ton. They're also never dealing with anybody who's happy because they're only seeing people whose projects just broke.
And there's the fucking, and then there's the outlet, and he steps right onto it and slips.
What
are you doing?
From falling this way to falling that way.
I don't know.
This
journalism.
This buddy, he's in a single wide room, right, for one person. Look at this fancy modern lamp. The rest of the place still sucks, and this is building C, and apparently somebody was screaming in it last night.
Hey, more people, more problems.
We got Dash Pump 4 over here that's eating ice cream with a fork. That's just, you can't do that. He needs a spoon.
So he's gonna use the fork correctly.
So we need to fix him. We need to cut off his balls. I grabbed these random materials to make a spoon. The trouble is I don't have scissors or a knife. I came up with a great idea, folks. This is already a spoon.
True.
So
eat
there you
this
go,
ice
Dash
cream.
Pump 4.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course. Try it out.
No, I think I'll use my normal fork.
No, please. I made it just for you.
I'll put some hand sanitizer on it.
Yeah. We'll dip it in the buzz ball and it'll...
It's TLC, 90 Day Fiance.
Spoon.
Light is like half as bright as it was this morning, like an hour ago.
We couldn't get in and out. Oh my God. Did they change the bulbs for housekeeping? I wish the smell was recorded on camera. This is fucking horrid. It smells like tuna fish. Day 3 went swimmingly. Also, while I didn't get to meet William Osman, somebody came around with a QR code and he had shared a link with me. Also, Alan Becker was there, so he came by and tried it out, and he put a lot of time into it. The Wiiumba was kind of struggling at the end, but he completed the whole maze and just kind of interacted like any other guy. It was super awesome.
Yeah!
OpenSauce culminated in a party hosted by one of the local maker spaces, and that was such a good time. Also, we're gonna do some San Francisco activities, so we're about to start breaking into some cars. We'll update you with the haul. And my dream came true. I actually met William Osmond there, so that was a huge honor. And then the parking garage bestowed an even better honor on us by actually closing at 10:30 and locking our car inside. We bought like till 1:03 when the party was gonna end. The parking meter didn't fucking tell us, oh, by the way, the garage is gonna be closed. You can park till 1:03, but you can't take the car out. Like, you would think it would pop up and say that or something. I mean, I didn't read the sign outside the door, but that part was on me, but this part is on them. It's a super good time. I really hope to go back next year, either with another cool project or in a universe where certain laws of physics apply differently. Maybe I'd be a featured creator. OpenSauce 2027, baby. Can't wait to see you there. Got him again.